Hello folks, in this short video you see how you can create your Facebook page. By the way, my name is Abubakar Abdulkadir. So if you want to create your Facebook page, you click on Facebook. Then you go to pages. Once you go to pages, you go on and create. You go on and click create page. Then you click on create page. Then you type the name of your page. That's also my written affiliates. YouTube. Click on I want to use this page to sell products or provide services. Then you go to next. It can go, I can write my advert. Go on next. Choose category for your page. This helps people find your page. You can add more categories. Later select category. On which category? Is it books and magazines you are going for? Brands and products? Are you advertising products or you want to sell your books? As for me, I'm going for brands and products. Click on next. You click on subcategory. Go to personal blog, local business, personal blog. I'll go to personal blog or local business. Go to next. So you go to next until you finish the procedure. Once you are done with creating your page, that's all. As you can see, you've already created your page. So thank you for watching this short video on how you can create your Facebook page. That's the reason that I showed you this short video on how you can create your Facebook page, because I will have an interesting video to show for you guys in my next video. So thank you for watching this short video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Goodbye.